Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, April 12th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had a different kind of Friday today. The Dow, absolutely spectacular. You can see the gap here this morning. It gapped up well over 200 points this morning, and ended up closing up 269. We are now less than 600 points from finally breaking that all-time high. Um, we'll have to see, can it make it, or is it going to do another one of these mini corrections that it keeps doing? It's like it can't quite get up enough steam to go through that. But we don't need, just 2 more days like today and we're there. So we'll have to see what happens. This is actually a frustrating pattern for us, however. I hate these big gaps like this in the Dow, because what happens is that all the stocks kind of open up here and we end up buying that, and then for us to make money, it's got to keep going. Well, when it opens up like 250 or whatever it did this morning exactly, I can't remember, but it's about up 250. It's got to go to 350 or 450 after we get in for us to really make money, and that didn't happen today. It basically almost made its high during the first 15 minutes. So, as a result, we ended up closing our three positions we had coming in for with $1,600 positive, and then we get into 11 new positions. That's a fairly decent number of positions. 7 were positive, 4 were negative, but nothing is over $1,000. And so, the result, we're only carrying $700 over the weekend. So we have this humongous move in the Dow, but we're basically making lunch money. And that's the way it's been all week for us. We've actually made, I think we've made money just about every week, but I mean, it's been like $1,000, $1,500. We're not making big money, at least this week, but I'm not going to complain as long as we're not losing, and our day will come. This is just one of those frustrations. I've seen these patterns many times before, and it's just going to happen. I don't have much to show you. I'll show you the one good exit trade we had, and this is in SE, which is C Limited, and we had bought this yesterday midday. It closed favorably, and then it gapped up really nice this morning. This was the one stock that we really were able to take advantage of that gap, and we ended up selling almost the high of the day in that, but it wasn't a big position, and we took out $1,600 out of C Limited. And that is really the only thing big that happened. Everything else was like under $1,000. That's okay. As I say, I'm not complaining. We didn't lose money. This is Trader Bob signing off. Hey, you guys have a fantastic weekend, and I'll be back here on Monday.